Let's check the antenna configuration and frequency response of this antenna. A 5-element Shaggy for 137.2375 megahertz. So each element is marked with numbers on the boom and on the elements itself. We just need to put back the corresponding elements with their corresponding numbers on the boom. This is a polled dipole driven element. This is the mounting bracket for the folded driven element attached to the boom and secure at the back with bolts and nuts. This is the feed line, which is fed through the loop, going out of the center and connected at the middle of the driven element. The feed point is an SO239 connector. This is now attached to my coaxial cable going to my antenna analyzer. So let's just make a quick check. 137.2375 is 1.054 or 1.1 VSWR at the intended frequency of use, which is 137.2375. The bandwidth is around 10 megahertz from 132 to .2375 to 142.2375 with a VSWR of less than 1.5:1, both on the lowest band and the upper band. So that is 132.237 at 1.1 and upper frequency at 1.25 VSWR. So the exact dip on the curve or the exact center frequency is around 137.6375 megahertz with antenna reflection coefficient of minus 32.67 dB. Compare that to the intended frequency of use, it's almost similar at 31.39 dB to 31.62 dB at 49 ohms impedance, 48 to 49 ohms impedance, as we can see. So this antenna is ready for shipping and going to Baras Rizal. Thank you for watching.